Today I'm going to show how to sharpen a knife with the King Onion knife sharpener. I have just a basic kitchen steak knife here. Nothing spectacular, it's dull. It's ridiculously dull. Just a regular piece of copy paper. Yeah. That is a very ragged cut. Not good. Alright, now, this is not a sponsor or any paid anything like that. This is just me doing this because I want to do it. Alright, with the machine itself, there is this little, it's a guide for when you pull the knife through. Just pull back, flip up, and down here at the bottom, there is like a car tensioner. You just lift it up, move the belt. For this knife, let me see what the settings are. The cool thing about this thing here, it has a speed controller. It's right now here. I got it set for how I like it. And also here, like a drill, you pull the button, pull the trigger and push the button, and it holds it, locks it. And just like a drill, just let go, squeeze it again, and it lets go. But we're starting with a super fine or super coarse belt. And also here it has a dial, a degree gauge, so we want to set it to 20. I don't know if it can be seen. But there's a line right here and here. Probably barely see it. But that's how you set that up. So we're going to start with the super coarse one. I never even use this belt. These are a little tricky when they want to be. It's not hard though. And I always run it just to make sure we're good. That's just the, and flip this thing back out so we got the knife on the thing. Now we're gonna go with worthless. Right there. Kitchen knife. We're gonna use this for doing whatever, but it'll be 2 on each side. I'm gonna do the max on all these. So where it says whatever, I'm gonna go 2, 4, 8, 8 different grits. Alright. Okay, I did 2 of those. That's what the edge looks like now. I didn't think I showed it before, but it wasn't nothing spectacular. Just throw this belt on, and now this will be 8 strokes. The last one, maybe I might do it with the fine one too. We'll see. Just stick this on here. And another 8. Yeah, I always forget this stupid thing. Now, let's take out the piece of paper. Well, I like to wipe off the residue. Now let's see how sharp it is. Yeah, much better. I mean, it's not razor sharp. I don't want it to be razor sharp. It's just a kitchen knife. But that is a lot better than what it was. Much better. Alright, that's the end of this video. I got this. This machine's a little pricey for what it is, but you know, to sharpen up an old dull knife from what it was to what it is, takes, I don't even know how long. There won't be much cuts to this video, so maybe 10 minutes at the most it took. And that's maybe more of setup than anything, so actual maybe 5 minutes of machine time. I mean, you really can't beat it. See you in the next one.